These are my two budgies, and I like them to live freely in my room. So it's time for them to come out of their home. I will not call it a cage, because when it's evening they search for it and they want to be inside it. They voluntarily come inside it. I have just opened the door and take the cage nearby them. Okay, so let's see how they come out. देख एमी चलो बाहर टाइम टू गो आउट रिक एमी चलो कम ऑन रिक एमी कम ऑन एमी कम आउट एमी कम ऑन So now, get out. From there, I went on to my fan and to the iron grill on the window where they sit and make some sweet sounds. Oh. They keep on flying to and fro. My room is open, just a curtain, and they don't go out of this room even if I remove this curtain. So they have a limitation. This is the almirah on which I keep their food in big quantities. I have enough water for them over there, and I have sprayed food on this within this grill as well. And yeah, so this is where they enjoy. And you see there are clips. In the clips I always put some beans or some peas so that they can eat something green. And this is the water which is there for them, and I have not replaced it since yesterday, so I'm just going to replace it after this video is over. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.